Service integration and management is not new. It's been around for a while. Multi-sourcing, or having multiple service providers, isn't a new concept. So what's changed? Well, with the advent of digital services, companies have had to adopt lean and agile methodologies, which meant that our service providers need to adapt. And SIAM, or Service Integration and Management, has had to adapt with it. By way of explanation, let's look at what service integration and management is. As an example, let's think about when you download or stream a movie from an internet provider, whether that's on a mobile device or over the web. You get charged $6 for the privilege of watching that movie. We have to look at all the different components that went into serving that movie up to you. For example, someone had to write the code, they had to test it, they had to provide a support framework, it had to be supported in terms of the underlying infrastructure. So think about the things that go into that. That's applications, database, server infrastructure, cloud management, network, bandwidth, storage. All of those things come at a cost. Often, when we look at all these things, all of this infrastructure is very complex, which means that the company may not have the capability of providing all of these different services to deliver that movie to you, which means that they probably had to outsource. And in fact, often to different providers. Let's look at some examples. Application providers, developers, maybe even looking at some of the cloud infrastructure. All of that comes at a cost. So now when we look at that $6 charge, how much do you really think is profit?